Do you need to have a big stack of cash when you start your own business and go out on your own? For me, the short answer is no. I did not save up 6 months worth of income and expenses. I just straight up started the company with what I normally had the month that I started it. Maybe I had a little bit of money saved just for the LLC formation and just for my first couple months of insurance. But I did not save 6 months, a year's worth of expenses or bills or whatever. Thanks for tuning back into the channel. This is a series on going out and working for yourself and what I am doing to start my business and all that kind of stuff. So you're just following along and getting some advice from me. Don't take any legal advice. But anyways, do not stress out about saving a crap load of money up. Don't let that be an excuse for you to slow down your process. Just go out and do it. If you're starting a knitting business, then sure, you're going to need to save some money. But if you're an electrician and you're letting people know in your community that you're going out on your own, or if you're hit up people that you've done side work for, let them know. Let people, other electricians in your area, let them know that you're doing it because they might need a hand with some stuff, and you can start to 1099 and go out and get some subcontractor work. Anyways, the point of this video is that you do not need to save 6 months worth of income. Maybe 40 years ago you did, but things are so different now. Electricians are in such high demand, at least in my area, and from what I hear, pretty much across the board. You can go out and make $1,000 in a week, straight up. And if you're doing what I did and you're the month before you quit your job with the company you work for, if you're doing some local ads and just kind of letting people know and doing whatever small amounts of ads, you're not spending thousands of dollars on ads that aren't going to do anything. Spend just like 100, $200 on some local ads. Let people know. And that's going to generate enough work for you just to get started to make your regular weekly income. If you're working for $35 an hour anyways, or $35 to $45 an hour, depending on where you are, you can make that in a week very easily. And then it's going to snowball. You're going to start to get recommendations. You're going to light the fire in your area and people are going to start to know about you. Now is the time to just go out and do it. Don't waste time or convince yourself that you can't because you don't have all this money saved up. And again, like I said, don't be irresponsible. Obviously, make sure you're going to take care of your family and your bills. But I just think that it's so easy that you can go out there and generate income. If you have the go-getter attitude and you're already working your butt off for some other company and selling 40 hours a week, you might as well take that 40 hours a week and hit the road and go make some money on your own and start to grow your business. So don't let it be an excuse. You can for sure do it without saving a bunch of cash. I did not. That was one of the top pieces of advice that I got from people, was to make sure they're like, oh, well, do you have this saved up? Do you have 6 months of expenses? Do you It's like, nah, man, just go out and work. Go out, put your name out there and go out and work. It's like now is the time to do it. So, and then you'll get to a point when you have a little bit of a lull and you can start to do other things that you need to do. Set your shop space up, start to really dial in your invoicing, all your other processes that we'll go over. Leave a comment below if you're worried about the area that you live in is too saturated with guys and you're not gonna be able to drum up enough work. And I can give you some tips on that, because you can hit up those guys and say, hey, I am now a solo electrical company. Do you need help on a project? Or do you have some small stuff that you don't want to have to waste your time with? I get so much work and help from other electricians that just have a surplus of work. So there's so many ways out there. So don't let that be an excuse to not go out and start your business. But insurance is really easy. There's so many ways online to do it. It's not even worth making a video about it. You can look up so many different ways, but make sure you're just getting the proper coverage, because there are some little things in there you got to figure out. Thanks for watching the video. Leave me some comments. Show some love to the channel. Let's follow, like the video, leave a comment. I'm trying to be able to produce more of these. So if you like it, please show some love so it can help the channel out. But start your business.